In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your money from your Bybit account directly to your bank account. Now, in case you don't know, in my previous video, I made a video on how to deposit your money from your bank account to your Bybit account. And then I also showed you how you can use that money to invest or buy any cryptocurrency of your choice on Bybit. If you haven't seen that video, the link to that video will be in the description below. Now, for this video, let's assume that you have invested in some cryptocurrencies and then you've made profit, and maybe you want to sell that cryptocurrency and withdraw your capital and your profit back into your bank account. Then that is what this video is for. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to sell whatever cryptocurrency you have invested in. I'll show you how to sell it, and then I'll also show you how to withdraw that money and your capital, your profit. I'll show you how to withdraw them back to your bank account directly. So please, I'll make this video or this tutorial as simple as possible, and it is going to be straightforward. So please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the home page of the Bybit app. This is what you'll be seeing once you log into your Bybit account on the app. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to your assets page. So I'll come to my assets page right here. And then you go to your unified trading account. So there's the unified trading account where the cursor is. So you click on it. And right here is where you'll be able to see all the cryptocurrencies you have in your wallet. So as you can see right here, this is the XRP we invested in the previous video. You can see right here, it is about $116 now. So that's the XRP. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell this XRP and how to withdraw your capital and your profit that you've made back to your bank account directly. It is simple and straightforward. So basically, you make sure that XRP or that cryptocurrency is in your unified trading account. That's the first thing you want to do. So once you've confirmed that the XRP is in your unified trading account, you now go to your spot trading page to sell the XRP. So I'm going to do that right now. So you come here to where you have this back icon, you go back, and then you come here to where you have trade. So you can see trade at the bottom. This is the trading page on Bybit. So I'll click on it. And then at the top, you see where you have convert, spot, futures, options, and trade file. So you come here and click on spot. Make sure it is on spot because it is on the spot trading page that you'll be able to sell that cryptocurrency. So once you're on the spot trading page, you come here to where you have XRP/USDT. Now, whatever cryptocurrency is there, make sure it is that cryptocurrency you want to sell. So it is on XRP USDT. But let's, for example, it is another cryptocurrency that is showing on your own screen. Just click on it or click on this small drop down arrow right here. So you click on it and then you find that cryptocurrency that you want to sell right here. So you can see these are all the cryptocurrencies you'll be able to find. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies. So you go ahead and search for that cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Let's, for example, it is BTC. You come here and you search for BTC. So you can see right there, BTC USDT. This is it right here. If that is BTC you want to sell. So let's, for example, it is ETH you want to sell. You search for ETH right there. This is ETH USDT. But for me, it is XRP I invested in. So you search for XRP USDT. Now, if it's showing USDT, it means that you want to sell that XRP to get USDT. Now, if you pick this XRP USDT, it means that you want to sell the XRP to get USDT. If you pick XRP USDC, it means that you want to sell the XRP to get USDC. If you pick XRP BTC, it means that you want to sell the XRP to get BTC and so on like that. But for this video, I want to sell it to get USDT because it's USDT I want to get. So once you see this one, you click on it right here. And then it will show on the screen here, XRP/USDT. Make sure it is that cryptocurrency you want to sell. And then the next thing you want to do is to come here and click on sell. So you can see you have buy and you also have sell. But for this case, we want to sell the cryptocurrency. So you click on sell right here. And then once you click on sell, you come here to where you have your order type, where you have market. So if you click on it, you see that you have different options. You have limit, market, and so on. Now for this one, you pick market because you want to sell it instantly. So you can see it's on market. Make sure it is market that is there. Now, the next thing is to enter the quantity of XRP you want to sell. So let's say, for example, you want to sell all the XRP you have. Just move this slider. You can see the slider, move it to 100%. So once you move it to 100%, it will enter all the quantity of XRP you have in your wallet. If it's that you want to sell just half of it, you come here, move it to 50%. So you can see 50% is at the middle here. You put it at 50%. It means that you want to sell just half of your XRP. If it's that you want to sell, let's say 25%, move it to 25% right here. So you understand. So I'm going to assume that I want to sell everything. So if I want to sell everything, I'll move it to 100%. So once you move it to 100%, this is the amount you'll be getting. To show you the amount you'll get in USDT. So I'll be getting 116.3 USDT. So once you're okay with that, just come here and click on sell. And then at the bottom of the screen again, you click on sell XRP. So you can see just like that, order submitted successfully. Let's go back to the assets page. So you come here to the assets page again. So once you get to the assets page, go back to your unified trading account. And then you come here and check the USDT. So let me open it right here and let's see. So you can see for USDT, I have 116 USDT, while for the XRP, I have just about $0.01 XRP. So I've basically just sold all my XRP and then I have it in USDT back. Now, once you have it in USDT, the next thing is now to transfer that USDT from your unified trading account to your funding account. Please take note of that. You must transfer it from your unified trading account to your funding account. Now, for you to do that, come here to where you have transfer. This transfer right here, you click on it. Now, once you click on it, make sure it is within account. Don't click across sub account. Make sure you click on within account. Now, once you see that, you see from unified trading account to funding account. So this is what we are doing exactly. We are transferring from the unified trading account to the funding account. Let's say, for example, it is funding that is here and then unified trading account is here. Just click on this switch icon. You see the switch icon. It will switch it. So you can see it has swinged it right here. Funding is now up and unified is down, but that's not what we are doing. We are transferring from unified trading account. Don't forget, the USDT is in our unified trading account. So we are transferring from there to the funding account. So you click on this switch again, and then it will switch it back to the normal thing we want to do. Now, once you've seen that, the next thing is to select the coin you want to transfer. So you can see it is BTC that is here. Just click on it, and then you select the coin you want to transfer, which is USDT. So it is this USDT you want to transfer. Just click on it. And it's on USDT. Now, the next thing is to come here to where you have amount and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer from your unified trading account to funding account. So let's, for example, you want to withdraw all the USDT in your account to your bank account. You can enter everything right there. That you want to withdraw maybe just $100, $20, any amount you want to withdraw, you enter it right there. So for this video, let's assume I want to withdraw, let's say $110. I'll just put in $110 right there. And then you come here and click on confirm at the bottom. And just like that, it has been transferred successfully. So let's go back to the funding account to check. So you come here and click on the back icon. And then you come here to where you have funding. So I'll click on funding. So this is the funding account. You click on it. And you can see it right here. This is the USDT in the funding account. It is 110 USDT. So we have the money in our funding account. Now, the next thing is to now go to your P2P page to sell the cryptocurrency and get your local currency in your own bank account. So for example, I'm in Nigeria. So that means that if I sell this USDT through P2P, I'm going to be getting Naira in my own Nigerian bank account. So if I'm from another country, you will be getting your own local currency in your bank account. So let's go ahead and do that. So to do that, you go to your home page. So I'll be going to my home page right now. This is where you have the home page on the app. Click on that. And then you come here to where you have deposits. So you can see where you have deposits right there. Just click on it. And then you'll be seeing different options right here. The one you are concerned with is P2P trading. So you can see where you have P2P trading. Just click on it. Now, once you're on the P2P trading page, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that where you have this NGN, so you can see where you have NGN right here, make sure that it is showing your own local currency. It must be your own local currency. Please take note of that. That's the first thing you should do once you get to the P2P trading page. So I'll come here to where you have NGN. I'll click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be seeing different currencies right here, different fiat currencies. So you search for the one for your own country and then you pick it. So for example, I'm from Nigeria. So you see NGN. This is it right here, NGN. So ensure that you check for your own local currency, your country's local currency, and then you pick it. So I'll come here and pick NGN because I'm in Nigerian. So once you've picked it, the next thing is to come here and click on sell. So don't forget, we are selling that USDT so that I can get NGN in my own bank account. That is what we are trying to do. So we are trying to sell. In my previous video where we're depositing, we clicked on buy. Don't forget. Again, if you want to learn how to deposit money to your account, go and watch that video. The link will be in the description below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't, please. Thank you. So again, you come here to your sell. You click on sell right here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. So you come here to where you have these options, just click on it. You see that you have USDT, USDC, BTC, and ETH. So for me, it is USDT I want to sell, don't forget. So you click on USDT right here. Now, the next thing is to come here to where you have amount. So you come here to where you have amount, and then you put in the amount you are trying to get, or the amount you are trying to get back into your Nigerian bank account. So let's say, for example, the average range of USDT right now is about $1,500. So you can just put in any amount. So $110 multiplied by 1.5 should be about, I think, 155,000 naira. So I can just put 150,000 naira right here. So that doesn't mean that that's the amount you will get. Just put it. Now, the reason why you are doing this is so that it can recommend or give you traders that are going to buy cryptocurrency or USDT of within this range. That's just the meaning. So it can be more or less. So once you click on that 150,000, click on confirm. And then come here to where you have all payment methods. So you click on all payment methods and then you click on bank transfer because you want to get it in your own bank account. Don't forget. So once you click on bank transfer, click on confirm again. Now, once you've entered all of these three things right here, come here to the extreme right side where you have filter. So click on that filter. Now, this one is very, very important so that you don't get scammed. A lot of people do get scammed through P2P. Please follow what I'm about to show you so that you don't get scammed. Now, the first thing you want to do is to click on show only verified advertiser. So if I click on it, it means that it will only recommend to you advertisers who are verified. That means that they cannot scam you through the P2P page on Bybit. That's the meaning. And then you come here and click on show only eligible ads. That means that it will give you ads that you can only trade with. So those two are very, very important. Once you select those two, you don't need to do any other thing. Just come here and click on confirm. Now, once you've done that, it will show you the different traders you can trade with. So these are traders that they can send you the money to your bank account, and they can also buy USDT of about 150,000 naira of within that range. I hope you understand. For example, if you look at this first person, let's look at the first person on the list. So you can see this first person right here. We can sell our USDT to this person for 1,509 naira. The second person, we can sell the USDT to this person for 1,509 naira 5 kobo. Right there, you can see it. So you can see the other rates right here. So this is the highest person on this list. And then you can see where it says limit. You can see this limit right here. The limit is between 100,000 naira to 4.5 million naira. So that means that if you want to sell USDT within this range to this person can buy it from you. That's the meaning. So that's the reason why you should enter this 150,000 naira. It will give you traders who can sell within that range. And then you can see the second person, the limit is 100,000 naira to 1.66 million naira. So that means that if you want to sell USDT within this range to this person, the person can buy it from you, and so on like that. So once you've seen that, the next thing you want to come is this extreme right side too. Now, for this first trader, this person has had 2,230 orders in the last 30 days, which is a lot. And I can see this person has had 98% completion rate. What does this mean? This means that out of these 2,230 orders in the last 30 days, this person has completed 98% of them, which is good. And if you go to this next person right here, this person has had 982 orders in the last 30 days, and this person has completed 99% of those orders. So you can see that these are people that they have huge orders and then they are having high completion rate. And you must always go for someone that has at least 95% completion rate. That is my own advice, or that is my own recommendation. So once you've seen that, you can now go ahead and pick whoever you want to trade with. So let's, for example, I want to trade with this first person on the list. I'll just come here and click on sell. Now, the next thing you want to do is to enter the amount you are trying to get or the amount you are trying to sell. So you have two options. You have with crypto and then you have with fiat. Now, if you are selecting with crypto, it means that you just enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. So let's, for example, you want to sell 110 USDT. Don't forget, that was what I transferred. So you just come here and put 110 USDT right there. So once you enter this 110 USDT, they show you the amount you will receive in your bank account. So this is the amount you will receive, which is 165,990 naira. That's the amount you will receive. Or if you enter with fiat right here, if you enter with fiat, it means that you just want to enter the amount or you want to collect in naira, the amount you want to receive in naira. So let's say, for example, I want to receive let's say 160,000 naira. You put it right there. So for 160,000 naira, it is telling that you will need to pay 106 USDT. That's the amount you are selling. So you are selling 106 USDT to this person and you'll be getting 160,000 naira. So whichever way you prefer, you can enter it. So let's say, for example, I want to enter it with fiat with this example. So, and I want to receive, let's say 160,000 naira. I'll also enter it and then I'm paying or I'm selling $106. Now, once you've done that, come here to where it says payment method. So once you get to this payment method, you see bank transfer. Click on it. Now, once you click on it, it will show you the different bank accounts that you have entered. So if you have done this before, it will show you the different bank accounts that you have entered before. But I'm sure most of you are doing this for the first time. So if you are doing this for the first time and you have not added your own bank account details to receive your money, just come here to the bottom. You can see at the bottom, it says add a payment method at this bottom right here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your payment method. So payment method, you click on it and then you pick bank transfer. So this is bank transfer right here. I'll click on bank transfer and then just to enter your name. So your name will be entered there automatically. It is the name you use in registering your Bybit account that will be entered right here. And also make sure that the bank account you are entering is the bank account that carries your name, your own name that you also used in creating that Bybit account. It is very, very important. Now, once you've entered that, come here to where it says bank account number. So you enter your bank account number here. Bank branch, you don't need to enter the bank branch, just leave it. And then the bank name, you enter the bank name. Now, please make sure that all your details are correct. Your bank name must be correct. Your bank account number must be correct. Very, very correct. And your name. So once you've entered all of those details, you just click on confirm. But for me, I've entered my bank account details before, so there's no need for that. I'll just go back. So right here, I have 3 different bank account details I've entered previously. So I'll just click on one of them and use it to receive my money. So once you've entered your bank account details, before you click on sell, come here to where you have advertiser terms and read all the terms and conditions of the person you are trying to trade with. You can see the first term is that phone number is a compulsory requirement. So this means that if you want to trade with this person, you must drop your phone number for this person. Now, the reason why they're asking for a phone number is because they want to be able to call you or maybe message you just in case you forget to release the crypto to them. That's just it. Or maybe to confirm the transaction. That's just what they are trying to do. And then number 2 says payment would come from my company account and move that business up. So what this means is that the person will be paying you from this account or from this company account. That's the meaning. And then number 3 says please allow the stipulated time of 30 minutes to receive your payment, as most payments will be done within 5 minutes. But due to large number of transactions, we might need more time. So this person is just telling that in case the payment is not coming early, just calm down, just wait, because they might have, a large number of transactions to do. So that's just what the person is just trying to tell you here. So once you've read everything, just go ahead and click on sell right here. And then right here, they will send you a verification code to enter and also your Google Authenticator code to enter right here. So you go ahead and do that. So you can see right here on the screen is now saying pending payment. So we have about less than 30 minutes to wait for the person to send payment. Don't forget, the person said that your phone number is a requirement. So to send your phone number to the person or to communicate with the person, just come here to where it says contact buyer. So I'll click on it and then you come here and enter your phone number. So just go ahead and do that. So once you've sent it, just click on the back icon right here and then you'll be waiting for the person to send the payment.
A few moments later.
So right now, the person has sent the money to my bank account and then I've confirmed it. So once you've confirmed the payment, just come here to the bottom side of the screen and click on release now. Now, to show you this on the screen, you have 2 options. The first option is if you have received the payment. So if you have received the payment, just click on this right here and then click on release now. And then right here, you will need to enter your authenticator code so that you can do your verification. So I'll do that right now. So just like that, I've just done it and you can see it says completed. So I've just completed this transaction and then I have my money in my bank account. So you can see that it is simple and it is straightforward. You don't have to go through any form of stress. Just go ahead, sell that crypto, then transfer that USDT back to your funding wallet and then come to the P2P trading page, pick someone to trade with, and then the person sends you the local currency to your bank account and then you sell your cryptocurrency to the person. It is as simple as that. So if you have been looking for a way to get your money from Bybit to your own bank account directly, this is the tutorial to do that. Send it to anyone who is finding it difficult to withdraw their money. And please, if you want to learn how to deposit your money into your Bybit account from your bank account, the link to that video will be in the description below. And if you want to learn how to do futures trading on Bybit, the link to that video will also be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.